Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed? Like your to-do list is a monster that just keeps growing, and every new problem at work or in your personal life is another head to fight. You're not alone. We all face challenges, but what if I told you there's an ancient secret to not just facing them, but conquering them with a calm and focused mind? Welcome, I'm your Stoic helper, and today, we're going to unlock the power of Stoic philosophy to resolve the problems you're facing right now. Forget the image of a stiff, emotionless statue. True Stoicism is a practical, powerful toolkit for a better life. It's about focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you can't. Think about a problem you're struggling with at this very moment. Maybe it's a difficult project at work, a conflict with a colleague, or a personal goal that seems impossibly far away. Now, let's apply the first Stoic principle, the dichotomy of control. Ask yourself, what part of this situation is actually within my power? You can't control your boss's mood, a client's sudden change of mind, or the economy. But you can control your response, your effort, and your attitude. Let's say you have a huge deadline. Panicking about the lack of time is outside your control. But breaking down the project into small, manageable steps, that's in your control. Focusing on the first step, and then the next, and the next, that's in your control. The Stoic emperor Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Your obstacle isn't a wall, it's a staircase. Each challenge you overcome by focusing on your actions makes you stronger and more capable. Now, let's talk about perspective. The Stoics practiced something called premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. This sounds grim, but it's actually incredibly empowering. Instead of worrying vaguely, you calmly visualize what could go wrong. What's the worst-case scenario if you don't meet that deadline? You might get negative feedback. Okay, what can you do to prepare for that? You can have a plan to explain the situation and outline how you'll move forward. By looking at the worst-case scenario rationally, you rob it of its power to create fear and anxiety. You realize you can handle it. You become prepared, not paranoid. This practice transforms your relationship with problems. They're no longer terrifying unknowns. They're simply situations that require a plan. This applies to your personal life too. Worried about a difficult conversation? Instead of avoiding it, think about what you want to say, how you want to say it, and what the possible outcomes are. By planning your actions, the part you can control, you walk into that conversation with confidence instead of dread. Finally, remember the Stoic concept of amor fati, a love of fate. This doesn't mean being passive. It means accepting and even embracing whatever happens, good or bad, as a part of your journey. That project that went sideways, it taught you a valuable lesson in project management. That conflict with a colleague, it was an opportunity to practice your communication and empathy skills. When you stop fighting reality and start seeing every event as an opportunity for growth, you become truly unstoppable. You're no longer a victim of circumstances. You are the architect of your character. So, here's your challenge for this week. Pick one problem that's been weighing you down. First, separate what you can control from what you can't. Second, focus all your energy only on the things you can control: your actions, your thoughts, your efforts. Third, ask yourself, what can I learn from this, no matter the outcome? You'll be amazed at how this simple shift in mindset can transform a mountain of stress into a molehill of manageable tasks. You have the strength within you to handle whatever life throws your way. The Stoics knew it, and now, so do you. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more practical wisdom to help you build a more resilient and fulfilling life. Let me know in the comments which Stoic principle you're going to try first. See you next time.